The winner is Will Brown.
If I'm photographing something, I want to make the viewer feel like they're literally looking at what a bird might see, soaring through clouds, something like that. And over the last 6-7 years, I've been working on a project to document Iceland's glacial river systems in the middle of September. Again, this project for me has been a really fulfilling thing, and I would venture to say that anything good is going to hopefully be allowing you to invest that amount of time. This is literally a candid expression that my assistant shot when I was flying over the Aleutian Islands. And I love this photo. It almost makes me want to cry just because I remember that beauty. I remember that excitement. And oftentimes, I'm sure every single one of you have made this face, hopefully, at some point, when you see something that is truly that stunning, where your jaw drops. And for me, that was the first time I saw an active volcano. To feel honest, it truly changed my perspective. I felt almost an insatiable need to bring these perspectives to people. I think as photographers, we have truly a responsibility to share them with other people and to enrich their lives by allowing them to see these places. But I think that in order for us to hope that people can care about the planet, the only thing we can really do is to inspire them to go experience it themselves in hopes that they will care about these places too. I really appreciate you coming out today and hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Thank you so much.